How to reinstall deleted apps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, we need to uninstall the app on the Android. So for example, if I'm going to uninstall the application over here, such as for, let's say, the video MP3 converter. So just tap on uninstall, and here we have uninstalled the application. Now, if you want to reinstall the deleted app on Android, what you can simply do is just go to the Play Store application. And as you tap on Play Store, you just make sure that you have logged into your account and go to the search bar. And over here on the search bar, search for the application, which is Video MP3 Converter. And here you'll be able to see the application that we had deleted. So just tap on Install, and with the stable internet connection, it will be downloaded and installed and reinstalled on your Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.